Okay, guys, as promised, I'm back with another banger for you guys. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a content strategy around TikTok, or how to even come up with the first few ideas you have for TikTok. So, first and foremost, let's pull out this baby and boom, 639. If you know me, I love my threes. This is how I know it's going to be a great video. So let's get right into it. Let's go into TikTok. Okay, we're in TikTok. Boom. Typical TikTok algorithm. Bunch of videos to kill your dopamine, endorphin, receptors, everything. But hey, this is what the rules came to now. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. So today we're gonna pretend I'm a business owner starting a bakery in Los Angeles. Okay, so let's get into it. First and foremost, you're gonna wanna hit the search sign. And what I want to do the first thing is, we know that I'm in the bakery industry, so we're gonna shoot up bakery. Okay, top videos for bakery. This one's coming up.
Which products will sell. I thought when we opened that macarons would be our #1 best-selling item because we make so many different flavors and colors and they're really unique. And then I thought maybe I need to display.
Right away, this is what you gotta do. You're in your notes and you're gonna write TikTok scripts. And what I like to do is just number them for inspo. So, and do them in bulletin points, right? Inspiration. Okay, this is where you're gonna be using videos that you can see yourself mimicking. Okay, so we watch this one.
These customized trays made,
Go
and now
through
we have
it.
one per flavor. And to top it all off, I found these magnetic flavor labels.
Okay,
from a
cool.
company.
I like it. I'm gonna copy the link. So you're gonna hit that. Boom. You can fix it after, guys. Don't worry. All right. Next thing, we're gonna go here. Obviously, this video is a little bit older, so you want to kind of pay attention. But hey, I'm sure you guys have heard this a million times. Don't reinvent the wheel, just change the tire. Exactly the same thing, guys. You can make a very similar video and use the same concept as you see right here. Okay, so copy the link. Boom, go in there. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Next, let's see what we got. Let's see.
My name is Mercedes, and this is in the fall colors for our cupcakes.
Okay, you know how they make those get ready with me videos?
my
This is pretty
favorite
much
time of year.
this
I
person
love all
showing
the
you how they're
colors.
going to
It
make the
just
cake
makes me
throughout their
such a
day
good
with a
mood.
voiceover.
For
These
the
are
cake
very
spreads, we
simple
have
to
our
create,
custom
guys. People
fall
always
mix, a
overcomplicate it.
pumpkin,
All you
a
got to
cute
do
little rosette
is just
with
record
different
all the fun
colored
stuff, and then
dollops.
you put it into an app just like CapCut, very popular, and do a screen recording over it so people can see what you're trying to explain and what you're trying to do. Okay. So that's the main way to do it. Now the second way is you can come up here, hit those three dots on the top right, hit filters, and what you want to do is what's popping this last month. You want to know what's popping. Let's go to this month, and we're gonna do by the like count, and we're gonna apply these filters. Okay. Obviously, if you want to do something, you know, ASMR funny, something like this, now you have inspo, so you can copy and put it into it, right? So, hey Fred, can you make the cat from Minecraft? Okay, cool. So you can even come into the comments here, make the cake from Roblox. I mean, you can even get an idea from here alone, right? You can go, okay, well, I'm going to reply with a video. And then you can go, I know you guys dropped a comment under Fred's video to make the cake from Roblox, but I'm going to give it a shot as well. Boom. You already have all your stuff ready. You're already doing what you need to do, put it in your drafts. I'm just showing you, right? Okay, now you can obviously go through here and find your pieces of copy of content, how you would want to mimic the videos, yada yada. But pretty much you want to just really spend time, guys. I would say at least a couple hours to really go through the content and see what can you actually, as a business owner, what can you actually do as well on your end that can mimic these videos that you think will work for your audience. Okay, now number 2, hashtag research. Let's use the best hashtags that are working for other people. I'm gonna just go back to the top, and typically I want to go back to this video and I want to see, okay, bakers of TikTok. Clearly that is a hashtag that bakers are using on TikTok, and as you can tell, there's a bunch of videos here. Even this one, August 10, 2022. It's August 22, I'm recording this video, and I know, okay, They're using these hashtags. Maybe I should look more into it. Sometimes you got to be careful using these hashtags as well, like FYP for you a little too much. I feel like TikTok sort of has like a spam filter, and they sometimes just like kind of shadow a video. I may be wrong, I may be right. Pretty much I feel like the algorithm knows everything you're trying to do in a hack way, and it's taking points away from your profile. Okay, we went over how to find content that you can mimic, how to find the hashtags that are relevant in your niche. Now, if you're not camera shy and you can show your face a bit, you got to take advantage of the duets and stitches. It's probably the easiest way sometimes to really go viral, depending on your input, output, whatever you want to put versus another person's video. So I'm going to show you guys how you would do that. Now, this is kind of a funny video or whatever, but it's very easy. So you would click share, and then there's an option to either duet or stitch this account. If you want to stitch on TikTok, you have only 5 seconds you can choose out of a video. So you always want to choose the best 5 seconds. Obviously, you want to use the key point of this video, the reason why it even went viral, okay? Click next. And guys, I have run into the same exact thing at my bakery. People always think we're just nice people, You guys get what I mean, right? You're just responding back with your input at the end of it, and you're trying to see if it goes viral or not, because it all depends on your humor. If you're shy, it's kind of harder. If you're not, it's an easy way to boost up some views, especially on a video that's trending. So how do I know the video's trending? Well, look at the dates. February 24, obviously that's for 2023. So you want to hit that this week. Let's get rid of this, it's a little too much. Bakers of TikTok for this week. You probably want to do this month. I even have issues with that too sometimes. Not every time something is going viral, but hey, you can click on this video, right? You also want to pay attention, right, to the music that they're using, because maybe other bakers are using it as well, and it's a trend that's going on inside of your industry. Right here. I want you guys to notice the trend going on. Miniature baking and cooking. So, okay, if I'm the bakery owner, I noticed that the miniature thing is working in my niche. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm going to create content with miniature stuff as well. I don't want to make this too complex. I'll make a video where you get even more complex, but here, this is what I want you to look at. Right now, you're looking at my screen. I created my inspiration and my duets and stitches, okay? Now, what you want to do is very simple. You're gonna choose a day. You're gonna choose a time. You're gonna have the good lighting. You're gonna have the right audio, and you're gonna recreate these videos. You're gonna edit these videos in a simple app like CapCut. You're going to do the duets and stitches all in one day. You can knock out 8 videos, and you have content now for more than a week, and you can drop 1 video per day. Now you can do more if you'd like. Quality over quantity to me makes more sense, but if you're pushing a quantity over quality, it works as well. Don't take it wrong. I just feel like now the market's very saturated. There's just so many videos. There's over 1 billion users on TikTok, and the only way you're gonna stand out now is by creating some fire content. So I hope these tips helped you out. I'll make a video on Reels next, on Shorts, how to optimize your YouTube Shorts, come up with graphics. I mean, you guys, let me know what you want in the comments below, and I'm gonna try to make sure I make the best of it, and I try to make videos that are gonna work, okay?